Welcome to Kishore's Neat Pathasala. In this video lecture, we will see the concept of orbital speed and time period of a satellite. Okay, what is orbital speed? Orbital speed is the speed with which satellite moves around a planet in its orbit. Okay, orbital speed we are indicating by the term VO. So what is orbital speed? It is the speed with which a satellite moves around a planet in its own orbit. So orbital speed is indicated by VO. VO is equal to root of gm by r. This is the most important formula. VO is equal to root of gm by r. So VO is directly proportional to root of m and inversely proportional to root of radius of the orbit. So r is the radius of the orbit. It is not the radius of the planet. Okay. So orbital speed, we know that g is equal to gm by r square. So if I substitute this thing here, I get VO is equal to root of gr. You see that here VO is directly proportional to root r. But in numericals, we must always use VO is inversely proportional to root r. We must do not use this relation. Okay, if you use this relation, you will get wrong answer. Remember, VO is always inversely proportional to root r. Okay, in the previous video we learned that escape speed is equal to root of 2gr. Here we have learned that VO is equal to root of gr. So by using these two, by comparing these two, I can write V escape is equal to root 2 VO. So V escape is equal to root 2 orbital speed. Okay, and this is the next formula. Okay, what is the interstellar speed? They will ask. Interstellar speed formula is given by square root of v square minus v escape the whole square. V escape is the escape speed or escape velocity. Okay, and v square is the projected speed. Okay, the speed with which you are projecting a thing. Okay, based on this, we will see one numerical here. If a satellite is projected with a speed of 200 times more than escape velocity. So projected speed is 200 times more than escape velocity, which is escape velocity plus 200 times 200 percentage. So 200 by 100 the escape speed, which is 3 VES. Okay, so projected speed is 3 times escape velocity. So interstellar speed they are asking the speed in the interstellar space. So V interstellar is equal to root of projected square of projected speed minus escape speed the whole square. So V square we have found it here as 3 times the escape speed the whole square minus V escape the whole square, which is 2 root 2 V escape. So fourth option is the right answer. Okay, now let us see next numerical. Two satellite A and B go around a planet in circular orbit having radius 4r and 3r. If the speed of the satellite A is 3v, speed of satellite B they are asking. So if they are moving in circular orbit, so indirectly they are saying that they are using the concept of orbital speed. Orbital speed formula is root of gm by r. I told VO is inversely proportional to root r. This formula we are using. Speed of A by speed of B is equal to root of radius of B by radius of A satellite. Speed of A satellite is 3v. Speed of B satellite we want to find. Root of RB. Radius of B planet is r. Radius of orbit of the B satellite is r. Radius of orbit of the A satellite is 4r. So VB is equal to this will come here, so which is 6v. So B option is the right answer. And this is a very important thing. Time period of a satellite is 2 pi is equal to root of r by g. Direct formula also now they are asking in NEET exam. Okay, so they may ask that you direct formula. We have learned in the Kepler's law that t square is proportional to r cube. So the graph between t square and r cube. Since they are directly proportional, it is a straight line. Okay, and you can also use t is equal to 2 pi r by v according to the given condition. What is time? Time is nothing but distance by velocity. So for completing one circle, the distance is nothing but circumference, which is 2 pi r divided by v. Okay, and time period is also equal to 2 pi by omega, where omega is the angular speed. Okay, so according to the given condition, you must use this formula. They are now directly asking in exams, model exams, even in NTA app. This is a direct question. They will ask direct formula. Pick out the correct formula for time period of a satellite. So you must remember this thing, where here r is the radius of the orbit in which the satellite is revolving. Okay, I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Pathasala. Thank you.